Hi, this is Sue from Createful Journals, and I just wanted to go over how we can use the reuse slides feature in PowerPoint when we created our hardcover templates. So what I have done here is I've just opened the template that I want to use. So you just come in and decide what size it is that you want to work on. I've just picked the 6x9 for now, and then I've opened up the blank template. So you just want to open up the blank template first. So that is the inside blank ones in here. So you'd come in here, pick out the 6x9, and that's going to open up into this blank file here. And then if you look at the top right here, you'll see it says reuse slides. Now, if you don't see this, we can add it to the ribbon. So to do that, we want to go to File and Options, and then customize the ribbon, and then come to the left-hand side here and just scroll down, and you'll see the reuse slides feature in here. So you just highlight it, and then you're just going to add it, and you can add it to any of these main tabs that you want. So I've got mine under the Home tab. So you'll see up here, I've got Home and then the reuse slide feature. You can put it wherever you like. So just decide where you want to put it, and then you just click the add, and it's going to pop over onto this side, and then click OK to close it out. Right. If you don't see it right away, you may need to just close down PowerPoint and open it back up again. So now with this blank template, what we can do is go and pick and choose the ones that from the main template. So click on the reuse slides, and then where it says browse, right, you just want to come here now to the interior layouts, and again pick the same size, so it's 6.9, and then open it. And then you'll see all of these are open here. Now, what I suggest you do too is just open up this in a separate window as well. So you can see here, I've got the actual templates open here as well. So you can just kind of come through here, you'll see them easier, and then you can just pick, what do we want to create today? So let's say we're going to create a guest book. So I like this page here. So let's say that's slide number 33, and then the layout, I'll take this layout. So all I want is slide 33, 34. So just minimize this now, come back here, and then just scroll through the slides. So now we've got slide 33 and 34 there. Now, before you move these over, look at the very bottom where it says keep source formatting. So if you want all the formatting to pop into this slide, make sure you've put the little check mark in there. And then it's just simply about of clicking on the slide that you want to import, and you'll see it fits in perfectly into the margins. And you just take whichever pages you want until you're ready to start creating your journal. This is much easier than making a copy of the main, otherwise we'd make a copy of all 70 templates and then going in and deleting the ones that you don't want to use. So this is going to be much faster for you. And then just save this as a new name. So you want to keep that blank copy there as well, so that you can reuse it over and over again. Just name this as your new guest book. And then you're ready to go. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.